A rainbow, a natural phenomenon observed in the sky, is the result of refraction, internal reflection, and dispersion of light in water droplets. It appears as a continuous spectrum of colors forming a circular arc. Sunlight is the main source of rainbows, and they are always seen in the opposite direction of the sun. Various forms of airborne water, such as rain, mist, spray, and airborne dew, can also produce rainbows. Though rainbows can sometimes form full circles, they are typically seen as an arc above the ground. The colors of a primary rainbow range from red on the outer part to violet on the inner side. This optical feature occurs when light enters a water droplet, is refracted, reflected inside the droplet, and refracted again when leaving it. In the case of a double rainbow, a second, outer arc is observed with its color sequence reversed, with red appearing on the inner side. This phenomenon occurs when the light undergoes two reflections inside the droplet before exiting. Rainbows can be observed whenever there are water drops in the air and sunlight shining from behind the observer at a low altitude angle. Because of this, rainbows are usually seen in the western sky during the morning and in the eastern sky during the early evening. The most spectacular rainbow displays happen when half the sky is still dark with raining clouds and the observer is at a spot with clear sky in the direction of the sun. The result is a luminous rainbow that contrasts with the darkened background. During such good visibility conditions, the larger but fainter secondary rainbow is often visible. It appears about 10 degrees outside of the primary rainbow. With inverse order of colors, the rainbow effect is also commonly seen near waterfalls or fountains. In addition, the effect can be artificially created by dispersing water droplets into the air during a sunny day. Rarely, a moonbow, lunar rainbow or nighttime rainbow, can be seen on strongly moonlit nights. As human visual perception for color is poor in low light, moonbows are often perceived to be white. 4. It is difficult to photograph the complete semicircle of a rainbow in one frame, as this would require an angle of view of 84 degrees. For a 35mm camera, a wide-angle lens with a focal length of 19 mm or less would be required. Now that software for stitching several images into a panorama is available, images of the entire arc and even secondary arcs can be created fairly easily from a series of overlapping